legit. Anything you want.
Tron TRX's development wheel keeps turning. Community waits for mainstream adoption. Tron TRX has been making news in the bearish market, with the cryptocurrency company releasing new updates and development notifications, enticing users and cryptocurrency enthusiasts alike. The Justin Sun-led company has also been mentioned by eminent personalities in the cryptosphere, thereby creating a buzz for TRX Online. Just recently, a video showcasing the interview of Marcus Zhao, the technical manager for the Tron project, made several claims involving Tron's competency over Ethereum ETH, Bitcoin BTC and EOS. Zhao had stated, "As far as I know, Tron is the only public chain without any post-launch problems." I don't know why he said there are many vulnerabilities in Tron. In comparison, ETH, BTS and EOS had block generation problems when they were first launched. The aforementioned buzz online has also been attributed to the 11th largest cryptocurrency being mentioned during an interview that mainly talked about Tron versus Ethereum in terms of dApps, vulnerabilities and more. Here, the technical director of Tron, Marcus Zhao, talked about Tron, comparing its progress with Ethereum. The Tron Foundation has also been accused earlier of copying the code of projects like Ethereum, with a research by a group called Digital Asset Research DAR stating, on December 31, 2017, the project was initially accused of violating the GNU Lesser General Public License v3.0 LGPL because the project does not mention that its client, Java Tron, was derived from Ethereum J, which is one of the first Ethereum libraries. The cryptocurrency at the time of writing was trading for $0.0022 with a market cap of $1.453 billion. TRX, which had enjoyed quite the bullish run last week, was still reeling under the weight of the bear, suffering a 3.41% slide over the past 7 days. Tron was given another boost recently when Bitfinex announced that it will be supporting the 3 pairs of TRX with Euro EUR, Japanese Yen JPY and Pound Sterling GBP. The addition of TRX fiat pairs is being seen as the fiat expansion plan within the Tron community.
Tron, TRX, reaches the third part of Ethereum's transactions. Tron's mainnet continues to harvest success with the results of the blockchain platform. In fact, it was recently known that the platform is now having a third part of the transactions that get deployed on Ethereum's network every day, the blockchain behind the second largest cryptocurrency of the market. In terms of a greater adoption, such growth represents a huge opportunity for the current 13th best crypto of the market, a fact that, as it seems, just doesn't mean the same for the proponents of the Ethereum world supercomputer, who now are starting to hesitate regarding the strength of the Ethereum platform. It has been a roller coaster for Tron to get to this point, but slowly the platform has managed to obtain some of the most remarkable results in the industry. In fact, it opened the second month of operation with 30,000 transactions, and the same way, it has closed with a daily average of 206,000 transactions deployed on a daily basis, which means that Tron's platform has an incredible growth rate. The numbers came in a calculation made by Tron Colony, a TRX bull dedicated community to share information related to the coin. The message was publicized on Twitter by both Tron Colony and the CEO of the Tron, Justin Sunday. The message read, $TRX started August with only 30,100 transactions a day. By the end of the month, the average hash of daily transactions was nearly 1/3 that of $ETH. Tron is the fastest growing coin. This rocket ain't stopping for anyone with relation to the growth. Despite the beliefs of many, this is actually not a random fact, considering that just a couple of days ago, on September 1st, Tron managed to have 440,135 operations, which represent a 67% of what Ethereum does. So we can all be sure that the crypto is going for blood. Ethereum or Tron? This disjunction has existed ever since Tron was created, perhaps because of the hype that Tron founder Justin Sun created from the beginning. In fact, the essence of the coin is to be the exterminator of Ethereum, but still, there's a lot of work to do in order to make this happen. For his part, Justin Sun, who has characterized for being a close figure to his community, has taken charge of publicizing each and every one of the new developments that Tron does, a fact that in most of the time causes a generalized tension between Tron's community and those who defend Ethereum tooth and nails. It results undeniable that Tron has a long way to go through in order to catch the 42 million accounts that Ethereum has, and if we compare that to the current 294,900 accounts that Tron has accomplished to have, it just looks like a small number. However, one of the things that have characterized the brain behind Tron is the confidence regarding its blockchain capabilities. In relation to this, Tron CEO recently published a message on his Twitter that read, #Tron, #TRX, network better than #Bitcoin, #BTC, and #Ethereum, #ETH, in terms of decentralization. But he didn't actually stop there, as he later made an even more forceful declaration when he stated that because of the recent acquisition of BitTorrent, Tron was simply the best peer-to-peer asset of the industry. He said, "Tron is 80 times faster than Ethereum." With 14 years of experience, BitTorrent is providing a world-class service to 100 million users in 138 countries. Add the two together and you get the largest and most advanced peer-to-peer network in the world. $TRX conclusion. Although it's more than clear that Tron still has a lot of work to do in order to accomplish its mission, there's not a doubt that the crypto is getting closer every day, and this definitely represents a huge opportunity for the crypto to climb higher in the charts and reclaim its spot in the top 10 of the market one more time. Justin Sun may not be wrong after all. He may appear as a greedy leader, but we can all agree that is precisely because of these thought patterns that Tron has been able to grow in such magnificent measure. So the way to go, Tron, we all wait for you to get to the moon.